In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to keep the trays for your HP OfficeJet Pro 8135 or 8125 printer series. The trays can be kept so that you can put it back into the packaging box that came with it. So here's how to keep the trays. First, remove all paper from the input tray. Next, you can see that there's a button over here on the input tray where you need to simply push it down and push in the tray. There. And your input tray can be pushed all the way in to be flushed together with the printer. For the output tray, you can see that there's two buttons over here. To keep the output tray, you need to press on the two buttons and at the same time push it in. There. The trays are now flushed, and you can keep it in the packaging box that came with it. So this is how you keep the trays for your HP OfficeJet Pro 8130 or 8120 printer series.